Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hey J Babe, so today we are going to be doing a nail haul featuring products from Amazon, Valentino Beauty Pure, and Shein. First, we're starting off with this nice 3-tier organizer that I found on Shein. It's so pretty, such a clear open display. It has 3 drawers, which I'm going to put all of my nail charms in. I just really like this. At the end, I'm going to be showing y'all me adding all the charms in it, and yeah, I really like this product. Next, we have the cover acrylics from Valentino Beauty Pure. Got me a few pinks and nude, you know. Then I have the liquid monomer. You need to get you a bottle of this if you haven't already. It has all the measurements. I like it. Then I have this phone stand. I got this for my clients for them to put their phone on to watch their movies and stuff. I really like it. It's like adjustable. It can go up and down. It can be in back and forth. So I thought this would be really nice for me and my clients to put our phones on so they won't mess up their nails. I also have this beautiful heart-shaped monomer, acetone, whatever you want to put in here for your nail stuff. I just really like this dapping dish. It's very pretty and unique. I love all of these products that I have found. I got this rhinestone box. You know, it comes with all different shapes. And then, of course, the regular jewels at the bottom. I really enjoyed this. This wasn't even that much money. So, yeah, I really like that it came with its own container and all. Acetone, pretty much explainable. You know, you need that. Okay. I also purchased this Harp Shade hole puncher. I'll show y'all next. I have some cards, loyalty cards for my clients. So yeah, that's what this is for. This brush, I really love this brush. I got it off Amazon. It came broken. I'm so upset about that. But I'm going to glue that back together. And I really like this. I forgot the size of the brush. I think it's a number 12, if I'm not mistaken. 12 or 14. I don't know. Let me not get the line. But I like this brush. It's KADS brush off Amazon. These are some really pretty flowers. If you've seen the trendy nails going around, you might have seen these jewels or charms on the nails or whatever. So I got that. And I also got these cherries. I really, really love these. These are so pretty. Go look on my Instagram. JNB Nails. JNB NAILSS. I got this top coat. And I also got a gel polish white from Valentino. Go check that out. This is a heart-shaped backdrop for the nail pictures. I really thought this was really pretty. It's soft, and yeah, I just decided to get that. These gloves I got for while I'm doing nails. Kind of like, they not grip, but like compression gloves, because my hands tend to hurt a lot while doing nails due to the tension and all of that other stuff. So these are to help my hands. I got the nail Pixies. These were so viral back then. People still get them, but they tend to snag a lot, but they're so pretty. Shein even had the Decal Book with the decals. I could not pass this up when I seen it. Instead of me giving my client the whole entire drawer to look through all the decals, they have a book. So how convenient is that to just flip through the pages and see what kind of design you would like, or you know, whatever. These are the loyalty cards I was telling y'all about that I got the heart-shaped hole puncher for. 10 punches, you get a free full set, or whatever I decide that you get. So yeah. These bows are a must-have. Go cop these from Shein. They have all colors. This Panna drill bit works wonders for removing the acrylic. You can find this on Amazon for about $10, $9.99 plus the shipping and whatnot. I heard about this Rhinestone Glue mark card on TikTok, and I have to say I really love it. It works wonders for my jewels and they last for a very long time. I got these stiletto nail tips. They are very easy for coffin shape and almond. It's already there. Less filing on my end. These nail brushes I am obsessed with. These are nail art brushes. They have all different sizes and I have to say I should have been ordered these sooner. So yeah, I'm really obsessed with these nice black chic. Go get you some. These heart shaped pads, I call them. I use them to put the alcohol on and wipe the nail off at the end to get all the residue off. So yeah, get these. 10 out of 10 recommend. I got this 3-piece. Well, not so 3-piece because the cuticle pushers and the cuticle nipper came separate, but I call it 3-piece because they all black. I really love this. It's cute. It's real sharp. These jewels, I couldn't pass them up. Get you some. That's all I can say. To match the cuticle pusher and the cuticle nipper, I got these cuticle clippers in black. I really love that. These are the numbers I use to label all of my color acrylics and gel polishes that I have to make it easier to find. So yeah. These are some 3D butterfly charms I have gotten. I got the silver ones and then I also have them in gold. These are the magnets I use to size up my client's nails. I glued them to the clamper that I use to cut the extra length off. So I have been working on my 3D flowers, so I got the brush for that. I really like this brush. It's pretty. It got diamonds in the inside. Go get you one. So pretty. I recommend every nail tech to go get them one of these. This is for the nail paint. I just put the paint on top of whatever this is called and did my brush, and yeah. Then I have some chrome. You can find this on Amazon. You can pretty much find this anywhere. Just type in nail chrome. Pretty self-explanatory. I also got, I don't know what this is called, but if I find a picture, I will upload it. You know how the airbrush is basically a mock of that in sort of way. Ladies, stock up on your standing bands. You should be changing these after every client, so you always need a lot. These are very cheap. I got these, and yeah. Also, these Pana files are some of the best files that I have. These are 80/80 grit. You can find these on Amazon. It should be about $15 at the most. I think it came in a 10 pack or 8-piece, something like that. I don't know. But yeah. I have even more decals, the butterfly ones, to add to the book. These are the swatchers to let my clients pick out any color that they want. I also have the cleaning brushes. I just got a lot of supplies that I am going to be needing back on my nail journey. Glue, KDS glue. This is some of my favorite glue, but if I don't have this, I will use the beauty supply nail glue or whatnot. Mark Heart 3D sculpting gel. You have to be very fast with this because I don't know if I'm not using it right. It just gets everywhere. So yeah, be careful with that. Here are some pearls that I got to spice up my nails. I like these. Besides, my clients were asking for them, so I had to get them. I'm trying this YN nail primer. I think it's Young Nails. So yeah, we're gonna see how that works. Get you a fan for your lung health. For your health overall, you need a fan going on with all of these chemicals. Get you a desk fan. It's only probably like $15 at the most. Also, get you an apron if you want to save time on the cleanup because my clothes used to be very dusty. So this is pretty. You got all the nail tools on there. I almost forgot I got this. Look at this brush holder. It is so cute. It's a heart brush holder and it even has, I'm talking about even. It even have the little things at the bottom to hold the brush in place. So yeah, I like. Everybody need this. I had to get a new armrest because the other one was not comfortable really. You can find this on Shein for like 26 bucks, and if you go on Amazon, it's going to be $30 to $40. I really like this one. I encourage everybody to go get it. I got it in black. This is a lamp. I'm not going to be opening it. I got it from Shein. I don't recommend because it's been about a month or two now and it has went out. Expected. I paid about $20 for it. So yeah. I got these custom business cards from Vistaprint. Designed some on their website. I even have the QR code at the back to just scan and go. Pretty much the rest of this video is going to be me unboxing majority, not all, not even majority, but some of my nail charms and putting them into this 3-tier clear display. So thank you all for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, make sure you turn that post notification bell on. Leave a comment down below what was your favorite product and what you are looking forward to purchasing. If you need a link to anything, also leave a comment down below because I'm not linking everything again. Y'all didn't appreciate it last time. So if you need a link to something, I will be sure to link it down in the comment sections below. Again, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. I enjoyed you all. Peace out.
Anything you wanna do, I am gonna try to. Boy, my body's just for you. Pleasure is a destination. You can drive us in, it's you.
Presidential roller, RM, wait. Never I found time, it's okay.